Hello, travel enthusiasts and travel bugs. Get ready for an adventure as we journey to the heart of sunny California, Anaheim. This vibrant city is bursting with excitement, from thrilling theme parks to hidden natural gems. Whether you're a family seeking magical moments or an adventurer craving new discoveries, Anaheim has something for everyone. So pack your bags, slather on that sunscreen, and let's dive into the wonders of Anaheim. You can't mention Anaheim without conjuring up images of Mickey Mouse ears and magical castles. Disneyland Resort, the original dreamland created by Walt Disney himself, is a must-visit for kids and kids at heart. Picture this, strolling down Main Street, USA, with the smell of popcorn and the joyous screams of children on thrilling rides filling the air. From soaring through the skies with Peter Pan to embarking on a swashbuckling adventure with Pirates of the Caribbean, Disneyland is a place where imagination runs wild. And don't even get me started on the incredible shows and parades. The dazzling costumes, the catchy tunes, and the sheer joy on everyone's faces are truly infectious. And if you need a break from the hustle and bustle, hop over to Disney California Adventure Park, right next door. Here you'll find even more thrilling rides, like the Incredicoaster and Guardians of the Galaxy Mission Breakout. Trust me, a visit to Disneyland Resort is an experience you'll cherish forever. Hold on to your taste buds, folks, because we're about to enter a foodie's paradise. The Anaheim Packing District is a feast for the senses, a vibrant hub where culinary creativity knows no bounds. Housed in a beautifully restored citrus packing house, this place is a testament to Anaheim's agricultural heritage. Imagine this. The aroma of freshly baked bread mingling with the tangy scent of exotic spices, all while you stroll past stalls overflowing with colourful produce, artisan cheeses and handcrafted treats. From gourmet grilled cheese sandwiches and steaming bowls of ramen to authentic Mexican street food and innovative vegan creations, there's something here to tantalise every palate. Grab a craft beer from one of the local breweries, or sip on a refreshing agua fresca as you soak up the lively atmosphere. So come hungry and leave happy. The Anaheim Packing District is a must-visit for any food lover. Get ready to cheer on the home team at Angel Stadium, the hallowed grounds of the Los Angeles Angels. This iconic ballpark is a must-visit for any baseball enthusiast or anyone looking for a fun-filled day out. Feel the energy surge through the crowd as the announcer bellows, "Play ball!" The crack of the bat, the roar of the fans, the smell of hot dogs and popcorn in the air. It's an experience that captures the true spirit of America's favourite pastime. Angel Stadium isn't just about the game, though. It's about the shared experience, the camaraderie of cheering on your team with thousands of other fans. From the iconic Big A to the statues honouring Angels legends, there's plenty to see and explore. Whether you're a die-hard baseball fan or simply looking for a fun day out, Angel Stadium is an experience you won't soon forget. Get ready to rock out, hockey fans, because the Honda Center is the place to be for electrifying entertainment. This multi-purpose arena is home to the Anaheim Ducks hockey team and hosts a dazzling array of concerts, sporting events, and family shows throughout the year. Imagine this. The roar of the crowd as the Ducks take to the ice, the pounding bass of a rock concert, the dazzling spectacle of Disney on Ice. The Honda Center has it all. The energy inside this arena is contagious, whether you're cheering on your favorite team or singing along to your favorite song. And don't forget to grab a bite to eat at one of the many concession stands. So check the event calendar, grab your tickets, and get ready for an unforgettable experience at the Honda Center. Escape the hustle and bustle of city life and step into a haven of tranquility at Yorba Regional Park, a sprawling green oasis nestled along the Santa Ana River. This idyllic park is a breath of fresh air, perfect for a relaxing afternoon picnic, a leisurely bike ride, or a fun-filled day of outdoor activities. Picture this, the gentle rustling of leaves, the sparkling waters of the river, the laughter of children playing in the distance. Yorba Regional Park is a sanctuary for both the body and soul. Rent a paddleboat or kayak and explore the river at your own pace, or challenge your friends and family to a game of volleyball or horseshoes. For the little ones, there are multiple playgrounds to explore, complete with swings, slides, and climbing structures. So pack your picnic basket, grab your sunscreen, and escape to the serenity of Yorba Regional Park. Calling all mini adventurers, get ready for a day of thrills and excitement at Adventure City, a charming amusement park designed especially for young children. From gentle rides that will send your little ones soaring through the air to interactive play areas that will spark their imaginations, Adventure City is a place where childhood dreams take flight. Picture this: the joyous squeals of children on the rescue ride, the delighted giggles as they splash in the water play area, the wonder in their eyes as they meet and greet their favourite storybook characters. Adventure City is the perfect place for families with young children to create lasting memories. The park is designed with little ones in mind, with rides and attractions that are both exciting and age-appropriate. So gather your little adventurers and embark on a journey of fun and discovery at Adventure City. Step back in time and immerse yourself in the rich history and vibrant culture of Anaheim at the Muzeo Museum and Cultural Center. This fascinating museum offers a glimpse into the city's past, from its early days as an agricultural center to its rise as a global tourist destination. Explore captivating exhibits that showcase the stories of the people and events that shaped Anaheim, from its indigenous roots to its present-day diversity. Admire artifacts, photographs, and interactive displays that bring history to life. The Muzeo also hosts a variety of rotating exhibits that highlight art, science, and culture from around the world. The Muzeo Museum and Cultural Center is a must-visit for anyone interested in expanding their horizons and discovering the fascinating stories behind this vibrant city. Get ready for a day of shopping, dining, and entertainment at the Anaheim GardenWalk, a vibrant outdoor promenade that's a feast for the senses. This bustling destination is home to a diverse collection of shops, restaurants, and entertainment venues, all set against a backdrop of lush landscaping and sparkling fountains. Indulge in some retail therapy at a variety of stores, from popular brands to unique boutiques. When hunger strikes, choose from an array of dining options, from casual eateries to upscale restaurants. As the sun begins to set, the Anaheim GardenWalk transforms into a lively entertainment hub. Whether you're looking for a fun-filled day out with friends and family, or a romantic evening under the stars, the Anaheim GardenWalk has something for everyone. Escape the urban jungle and immerse yourself in the tranquility of nature at Oak Canyon Nature Center, a hidden gem nestled in the heart of Anaheim Hills. This 58-acre natural park is a haven for wildlife and a paradise for hikers, nature enthusiasts, and anyone seeking a peaceful respite from the city. Follow winding trails through oak woodlands and riparian canyons, listening to the symphony of birdsong and the gentle rustling of leaves. Keep your eyes peeled for native wildlife, from deer and coyotes to bobcats and owls. Explore the Interpretive Center to learn about the park's diverse ecosystem and the plants and animals that call it home. Oak Canyon Nature Center is a hidden oasis that offers a welcome escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. The magic continues at the downtown Disney District, a vibrant entertainment, dining, and shopping destination located just steps away from the Disneyland Resort theme parks. This lively promenade is the perfect place to extend your Disney experience or simply enjoy a fun-filled day or evening out. Stroll along the brick-lined streets and soak up the lively atmosphere. Browse unique shops and boutiques, from Disney merchandise to trendy apparel and accessories. When hunger strikes, choose from an array of dining options, from quick bites to upscale restaurants. As the sun sets, the downtown Disney District comes alive with entertainment. Anaheim, you've stolen our hearts. From the magic of Disneyland to the hidden gems of nature and the thrill of live entertainment, this city has it all. Please subscribe to our channel. It means a lot to us. Thank you. Until next time, keep exploring.